Hi, welcome to Missologist. If you are just joining us, I am comparing non-alcoholic, zero-calorie gin alternative ritual to actual gin, in this case, Boodles. I've already made one Bee Stings at Midnight. I'm making a second now. Bee Stings at Midnight is my own creation. I hate bees, so it just seemed like natural to create a drink that basically disparages them. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce. Frozen. Time to strain. Okay, so I am straining this now. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. Not as foamy as that one again. It does seem to get foamier with the ritual. So there must be something in the ritual that foams up. Let that settle for a second. Ooh, that's the Bee Stings at Midnight. Again, the first sip is just really spicy, so we'll see if the second sip is less spicy, because that's what happened with the ritual. So let's see. Okay, this stays spicy. That one balanced out more after I had a second sip. I could taste more of the flavors of the ritual and the lemon juice. This one just stays spicy, which is pretty interesting. In a head-to-head battle to declare the ultimate winner, I think once again, the ritual will win. It's just more balanced. It's not as spicy. It's so smooth. It's really good. And once again, you get more of that lemon coming through. The mango habanero is much less strong. I'm really impressed by this ritual stuff. It's really good. So anyway, cheers. Yeah. Check out my other videos. I have videos where I'm literally just making the gin versions of these drinks. With recipes, all kinds of stuff. I have another video where I'm using ritual versus regular gin. There will be more videos. Like or subscribe or whatever it is you do.
Or whatever you want to do.
But yeah, it was a pleasure to make these drinks with you, and thank you for joining me.